You want to open that? Okay. Here, I'll open it for you. Look.
Mommy.
Hi, Elizabeth. This tape's pretty strongly there.
Yeah.
Let's see. It's a little girl in a car. I think, let me show you something. I think it goes like this. On the floor.
What else did you get?
Want to open this? Let's see what it is. No, we have to open it. They're eggs. Oh, look, it's Play-Doh eggs. Looks like. Get a knife. It looks like, Elizabeth, there might be something inside those eggs.
Mommy.
Yes, sweetheart. Open this up.
Wheel.
Wheel. That's exactly right, sweetheart. Let's see. Can you get one of the eggs out? Let's see. If
What's in the eggs?
Is there something in it? Okay. Let's see what it is. Egg. Ready?
Yeah.
Can you open it up?
Yeah.
It's a little thing of Play-Doh.
Wheel.
Look.
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
I.
You can make an eye. That's right. Can you put it back in here?
I.
Eye.
Yeah.
You put it back in here and see what else is in your basket?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll look at this in a minute.
What else is in your basket, Elizabeth?
More eggs. You want to open this one also?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what it is. Play-Doh. Blue Play-Doh. Would you like me to open that?
Yeah.
Okay.
More Play-Doh.
Open that one too. I think what's in here too is Play-Doh. Do you want a yellow Play-Doh? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. You want to make ice cream out of it? It's a yellow Play-Doh.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You see where your ice cream scooper is? It's in the. See that Mrs. Potato Head sticking out? She's in that. Look right here. Here, you can take that. I'll hold this. You can carry that to the table. Here, why don't you carry the whole container? There you go. Bring the whole thing over here. Why don't you bring it over here and sit on your table? Yes, okay. Would you like blue ice cream or yellow ice cream? Which color would you like for your ice cream? Want some blue ice cream?
Mmm. Yum, yum,
You
yum,
want the
yum.
yellow ice cream too? Look, it's a 2-scooper. No, where's the other one? Here's the purple. Would she like some ice cream? Okay.
Elizabeth, what else did you get in your basket?
Yeah.
Is that ice cream? Is there something else in your basket? What else did you get in your basket?
You have to look and see. What's this? Can I open that? What'd you take it out and look at? Farrell, come here. Say Happy Easter, Farrell. You say Happy Easter, Farrell? No? You want to look at this?
Oh.
Open. Look at that. You want to take that out? Why don't you go ahead and take it out? It's a bunch of stickers.
Did you get stickers?
Goodness, look. Beep, beep, beep. Would you like one of these? Look at all the eggs. Look. Oh my goodness, look at all your stickers. Which one would you like off of there? You want an egg? You want That's right. It's an egg, and an egg. Look, there's an egg. You want to put an egg on an egg? Look. An egg on an egg.
No, right.
You put that right there. Here's another egg.
Elizabeth. Elizabeth, did you get a video in your basket too? What else is in your basket? Eggs?
Put it on Daddy. Does Daddy get an egg?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
She get it off your thumb. Why don't you get Daddy a lamb too? Daddy a lamb.
Thank you. What else is in your basket?
Look. Oh my goodness.
A new video?
Video. It's Peter Rabbit.
Oh.
You want to open it? Okay.
Elizabeth, the Easter Bunny brought you all these things. Can you say thank you?
Yeah.
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
You say thank you, Easter Bunny.
Yeah.